Good evening, people. The time here in Connecticut is 6:30 p.m. This is my little reef aquarium, 55 gallon. As you can see, has lots of damsels. My sailfin, my yellow tang. And if you look closely, you might get a glimpse at my bicolor angel. There he comes. There he goes. Just got him today. Looks like he's liking the tank. Let's just hope that he stays nice and healthy, and we'll see if we get some more. In the meantime, over here on the right, you'll see my two clowns. So there it is. Only more the female right there in the front. That's the male. They're in there. And she is nesting. And ask me why that anemone is there, but I had to throw it in there because it was all over the place. Here on the right, my sump for this tank. Couldn't fit it underneath it. Now all of this, it's going to go in there for my 75 gallon. Right now it's just cycling. As you can see, he's got the brown algae going. Need more rocks. I started this like about a week and a half ago. And so far so good. So we'll see what goes on in a couple more days. I'll introduce some of these guys and put them in there. Okay, you guys got any opinions, any questions that I might answer? I'll answer them accordingly. And if you think I'm wrong, please let me know. It's all that I care. We, learn bit by bit every day. So if forget to hit me up, subscribe. If you like it, if not, I'll understand. So hit me up and let's keep in touch. We first. Ciao.